दिखाए कि नहीं? तो अभी उनमें ताकत है कि नहीं देखेंगे. Are you ready? तो खाने नहीं खाया वो आदर्शने तर. चांगल्या गोष्टीसाठी कौतुक करून घेणे. Okay, so everyone, are you ready? Okay, how many chambers in your house? Raise your hand and tell me good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries present here, chairpersons and trustees of Sitare Group of Institutes, Unique English Medium High School, principal, faculties, students, and my little brothers and sisters present here. So let us start with this session. Before that, I am very much thankful for Siddhare Group of Institute and Unique English Medium High School for giving us an opportunity to present these organ mega inflatables here. Now before we start with these organ mega inflatables, sir please press up a bit. I would like to ask you a question. Whether you want me to speak in English or you are comfortable with Hindi Marathi. Only English or English? English? Only English? Only English? Okay. So before we start with these models, we should know about the background of these models. Okay. What do you think is this model about? This is about lungs. And what is that model about? Heart. Very brilliant. Now, have you seen such models anywhere? So far, कभी movie में देखा है? Have you seen anywhere? Real is okay. Real is different. Such big, humongous, gigantic, robust model. ये room size model. Have you seen anywhere? See, I am not giving a lecture here. You have to interact with me, otherwise I will stop the session. And I look forward that students from higher classes, that is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, who are sitting behind, will answer loudly. I am just getting the voice of all small young guys. You have to speak, okay? आपका आवाज आना चाहिए. Yes? Okay. So I will tell you, you might not have seen these models anyways before because these are the only models in the country of India. These models are not there anywhere. We have prepared these models last year. Okay? And they are very costly, but it has taken a lot of time and energy and brains to create these models. Now, why did we create these models? What do you think? Why did we create such big models? Because we wanted to promote fun in learning. By seeing these models, there is some amusement and inquisition in your mind that what is this? We are able to see those small lungs in such a big format. You go to Gadda Fair, yes? It is going to come in January next month, yes or no? Yeah. You jump on the Mickey Mouse there, yes or no? Yeah. So aren't these models like them? Yes or no? They look like them. Big, हवा है इसके अंदर, है ना? Yes or no? So it brings a lot of inquisition and it draws our attention to learn and know more about these organs. And for this purpose, to promote fun in learning, we have created these models. And these models fetched us a world record prize last year, okay, in our college. So now starting with the exact discussion of these models. First we will talk about the heart and then we will talk about the lungs, okay. Now you already study about the heart in your diagram, in your book, right? In the textbook you have a diagram, yes or no? Okay, 8th grade students raise your hand, 8th grade students, 8th standard boys, girls, raise your hands. Okay, hands down. 9 standard boys, girls. Nishan. 9 standard boys, girls, raise your hands. Only these many? Girls, no girls in 9 standard. Okay, they are inside. And 10 standard, 10 standard boys, girls. Okay, 10 standard is here. Okay. So, okay, hands down. And what about 6th and 7th? 6th and 7th, raise your hands. 6th and 7th. And 5th standard boys, 5th girls, boys, girls. And you are all from 4th standard. Okay. First to 4. So we have the whole grade of the, yes, hands down. So, okay. As you know, yes, hands down, pay attention here. As you know that we have 4 chambers in the heart. How many? 4 chambers. Now heart has a very important role in your body. What is the role of the heart? The role of the heart is like a motor pump. Have you seen a motor pump in your building or house? वो क्या करता है? It takes water from the ground floor and pumps it on the topmost floor. Yes or no? And then when you open the tap in your bathroom, what happens? Water comes due to gravity. But it has to be sent against the gravity on the top floor. And who does that job? It is the motor pump. Yes or no? It is the motor pump. Now, the same job is done by the heart. What does the heart do? Yes, it keeps on pumping the blood. Now, when the motor, no talking. When the motor pump in your house pumps the water, there is some connection from where the water is coming, right? Corporation का है, bore है, whatever. Yes or no? There is some source of water. Now, is there any source of blood in the body? Then, now heart is pumping the blood. Okay, once it pumps, the blood goes ahead of the heart. Yes or no? But from where is the blood coming? Where from the body? 9th grade, 10th grade students are expected to answer. Very basic question. शरीर में खून आता कहाँ से है? Heart is just pump. It's just a pump. It has nothing to do with आता कहाँ से? क्या हम लोग सबको खून चढ़ाते हैं क्या? ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन करते हैं क्या? हाँ, then from where does this blood come? Food? No. आपका खून है कि पानी है? पिक्चर का डायलॉग है ना, ये खून नहीं है, पानी नहीं है, खून है. Yes? Anyone from the higher grade? Boys? अरे बहुत बेसिक पूछते नहीं तुम टीचर को क्लास में? ऐसा विचार नहीं आता है मन में? हाँ, अरे स्कूल के नाक का सवाल है, आंसर करना पड़ेगा. Yes, anyone? Okay, fine, I will tell you. Basically, the bone marrow in the bone, it creates blood cells. And whatever we are eating in terms of liquid, that forms, it gets refined, and it forms the plasma of our blood. So blood is made up of blood cells and plasma, and this is how blood forms. Simple. कहाँ से बनता है? Bone marrow से बनता है. हड्डी से खून बनता है. कहाँ से बनता है? Is this very clear? If someone asks you blood कहाँ से आता है, तो what will you say? Bone marrow. Bone marrow is the most correct answer. Okay, bone marrow. So, bone marrow is the source of blood cells, from where blood cells are coming into the stream of blood, and our circulatory system is a closed one. जैसे आपके टंकी में पानी आता है, फिर मोटर उसको ऊपर ले जाता है, और फिर वो आपके टैप में आता है, नल में आता है, and you use it. Yes or no? यूज करने के बाद कहाँ जाता है? ड्रेनेज में जाता है ना, या वापस उसी टंकी में रीयूज करने के लिए भेजते हो? गंदा हो जाता है ना वो. But our body has a closed system. Okay? The blood gets refined, it gets filtered in the kidneys, it gets oxygenated in the lungs, and it is again given back in the same circulatory system. समझ में आया आपको? Every organ is having some specific action, and the blood is moving in the enclosed system. Now if someone asks you how much liter of blood is there in your body, कितना लीटर खून है? कितना लीटर खून है? How many liters of blood? 5 liters of blood in your body. Okay, simple. So what did you know? First thing, who creates blood cells? Bone marrow. Very good. Very good. And how many liters of blood you have in your body? 5. You can answer. Are you hungry? All of you behind? You want me to come there? You want me to come there? You want me to come there? You have to answer. You are not watching a movie. You have to answer. Are you getting me? Hello, boys. Yes or no? Yes, you have to answer. Otherwise, I will come there. So you got two concepts clear. Okay? Who produces blood? Bone marrow. How much liters of blood in your body? Okay. Now coming back to the heart. We know that what is the function of the heart? What is the function of the heart? Pumping of the blood. Okay, because it is in a closed circulation, उसी में से निकालता है, उसी में वापस देता है. But what is the difference? जहां से ब्लड हार्ट के पास आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वेन्स. क्या बोलते हैं? और जिसमें वो ब्लड जाता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? आर्टरीज. क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ. तो whatever you can see in blue is what? Veins. What is it? Can you see that model, this big blue color? Can you see this channel, big color, blue, big? Yes, so that is what? That is vein. And ऊपर दिखता है ऐसे तुर्रे के जैसा. Have you seen a cock? मुर्गी. मुर्गी के ऊपर तुरा रहता है ना, मुर्गे के ऊपर. So like that you have a crown on the heart. So that is what? It's an artery. Now its name is aorta. What is its name? What is its name? And it is the biggest artery of your body. It is the biggest artery of the. What is its name? So, who is your new friend? Aorta. Who is your new friend? Aorta. Okay? So, if anyone asks you which is the biggest artery of the body, what will you say? Aorta. Okay? Okay. So, tell me. Who takes blood from the body to the heart? Vein. What is its color? Blue. Who takes blood from the heart to the body? Aorta. What is its name? Aorta. Very good. So understood? So you got two friends. One friend is vein. Second friend is aorta. Aorta is the biggest artery. It's the biggest. Is it clear? Clear with two friends? Okay, one brings blood to the one. Come here. One brings blood from the body to the, and another friend aorta takes blood from the heart to the body. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Now coming to the heart, these are the channels of the heart. Veins and arteries are what? They are the channels of the heart. अभी आपको यहाँ से बाहर जाना है तो ये रोड चैनल है ना? ये चैनल है ना? Suppose your school building is your heart. Okay, so there is a in, there is an out. Yes or no? So who is the in? Vein. Who is the in? Vein. Who is the out? Aorta. Very good. Is this clear? Okay. Now talking about the school building. That is the heart. Okay. Heart has 4 chambers. How many chambers? 4. Now उसमें भी क्या है? 2 ऊपर है, 2 नीचे है. आपकी स्कूल के बिल्डिंग में भी फर्स्ट फ्लोर है ना? है कि नहीं है? अरे है कि नहीं है? खाना वाना खाए हो कि नहीं खाए हो? कुछ तो शर्म करो, कितना जोर से आवाज से आंसर दे रहे. So heart also has 1 floor. 1 floor is ground floor. Second floor is first floor. Okay? How many floors? 2 floors. अभी ऊपर से नीचे आने के लिए कैसे आते हैं? डायरेक्ट जंप मारते क्या? How do you come? तो उसमें भी गेट है ना, स्पेशल पाथवे ना. Staircase is what? It is a special pathway. So similarly, there is a special pathway from coming from first floor to ground floor in the heart. Okay, it is inside. And that channel, that opening is called as what? Valve. What is it called? What is it called? So you got a third friend. Who is the third friend? और तुम्हारे स्टेयरकेस को डोर रहता है ना, जाली रहता है कि नहीं? So उसको भी गेट रहता है, उसको बोलते हैं कस्प. क्या बोलते हैं? So who is your fourth friend? Who is your third friend? Valve. Who is your fourth friend? Who are the four friends? Let's revise. First friend is vein. Second friend is, that is artery. Third friend is valve. Valve, not wall, valve. वो नल का valve रहता है ना, पानी वो valve. Okay. And fourth friend is what? Cusp. What is the fourth friend? It is the gate of what? Valve. It is the gate of the inside. When you see, there is a diagram of valve. Okay. समझ में आया इतना अभी तक? So how many chambers? दो ऊपर है, दो. अब ये ऊपर नीचे का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो गया. नाउ हार्ट में लेफ्ट राइट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी है. लेफ्ट राइट. ओके. ऐसा इधर बीच में हार्ट रहता है, तो लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द हार्ट एंड राइट साइड. अभी जो ऊपर के जो फ्लोर के जो रूम है ना, दो ऊपर दो है, नीचे दो है, राइट? 2 rooms above and 2 rooms below in the heart. So upper chambers are called as atrium. What are they called? Atrium. What are they called? What are they called? And the ones below are called as ventricles. What are they called? So who is your fifth friend? Fifth friend is atrium. Sixth friend is, okay, clear so far with me? You got your 6 friends. First friend is vein. Second friend is, third friend is valve. Fourth friend is cusp. Fifth friend is atrium. And sixth friend is ventricles. Sixth friend is ventricle. Is it clear? ऊपर के रूम का नाम क्या है? एट्रियम. नीचे के रूम का नाम क्या है? Are you following me? Or you want me to come there? Okay, I'm going to ask you questions. Okay, point you and ask you questions. If you don't answer, you will be marked absent for the whole week. Okay? Okay? So atrium, ventricles. Now what happens? Blood comes from the right side. Okay? आपने बॉस मूवी देखा है? बॉस मूवी, अक्षय कुमार का बॉस. How many people have seen it? Raise your hands. बॉस मूवी, अक्षय कुमार का बॉस मूवी. अरे शादी के लिए थोड़ी पूछ रहा हूँ, हाथ तो ऊपर करो, देखा है तो. हाँ, ओके, वेरी गुड. उसमें क्या डायलॉग है? बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट. ऐसा डायलॉग है ना, बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट. ऐसे अंगूठी पहनता है ना बॉस इज ऑलवेज. हाँ. Now our boss is on the left in the heart. Okay. Movie में boss is on the, and our boss is on the. Our boss is on the. Where is your boss? Show me left hand like this. Your boss is on the. उनको हाथ ही नहीं है. There's a limbless sea creature. Do you know what is its name? Okay, hands down. So your boss is on the left. Madam, hands down. Okay, boss is on the left. How is the boss on the left? I will tell you. Okay, follow one story. Right side में blood, follow here. Blood comes into the heart from which side? Right side. It goes in the atrium ऊपर. Can you see this vein? Big vein, yes? I will not tell the names because it will confuse. इसके अंदर जाता है blood. Okay, from this vein it goes into the atrium, right side. Okay, then it goes into the right ventricle. Okay, right atrium से first floor से किधर गया? Right ventricle. Then it goes to where? It goes to the lungs. For what? Oxygen. Very good. It goes for oxygen. It gets oxygenated, and this oxygenated blood enters into the heart from which side? Left side. From which side? Now oxygenated blood is very much useful to us. So that is why our heart, our boss is on the left. Oxygenated blood is useful for us. Oxygenated blood is on the left. So our boss is on the, जो useful है उसी को boss बोलोगे ना. So who is useful? The left side. Why is it useful? Because oxygenated blood from the lungs is coming inside the heart. On which side? Left side. So your boss is on the, followed? Have you followed? Yes, come here yourself. Come here. Hey, come here. Yes, come here. Yes. What is your name? Raghav. Your boss is on which side?
Left. Left.
Followed? Followed? Pakka? Why? वो कान में उंगली कर रहा था ना, इसलिए ध्यान उधर चला गया है ना. Because oxygenated blood, good blood, comes from the lungs inside the heart. From which side?
Left.
Which side?
Left.
And so your boss is on the.
Left.
समझ में आया? पक्का? Okay. Sit here. Sit here. Sit here. Followed everyone? Followed this? Followed everyone? So there are small. Can you see? Can you see those small veins? Yes. Stand up. Please stand up. Excuse me. Please stand up. Arey, not everyone. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, please. You will be able to see. I will show you everything. Okay. Okay. आपका friend. What is your good name? What is your good name? मेरे को जो प्रिय है वो दिखा. Priyadarshi is showing you two channels. Can you see those two channels? That is the gateway. They are called as pulmonary veins. Okay, pulmonary veins. From there, oxygenated blood of the lungs is going inside the heart. From which side? So it is going in the left atrium, ऊपर का floor. Then it goes into the left ventricle, नीचे का floor. And from left ventricle it is going into what? It is going into what? And from there it is going to your body. Is it clear? Now entering of the blood into the heart from the right side and from the lungs in the left side is happening at the same time. And so this circulation is called as double circulation. What is it called? इधर से भी blood आ रहा है, that is deoxygenated blood from the body. And इधर से blood आ रहा है, that is oxygenated blood from the lungs. And so this double circulation is happening at the same time. So it is called as what? Double circulation. What is it called? Okay, clear? अब ब्लड कहां से आता है हार्ट में पता चल गया? अरे हाँ या ना? ब्लड हार्ट में से कहां जाता है ये मालूम पड़ गया? पक्का? ऐसे जाता है क्या? Okay. So who are the 6 friends? Can we recall the 6 friends? Who is the first friend? Wayne. Very good. Who is the second friend? Very good. Who is the third friend? Val. Who is the fourth friend? Cusp. Very good. Who is the fifth friend? Atrium. Who is the sixth friend? Ventricles. Very good. You're so brilliant. So you understood? हार्ट में कितने चेंबर होते? 2 ऊपर होते और 2 ऊपर वाले को क्या बोलने का? एट्रियम. नीचे वाले को वेंट्रिकल्स. नीचे वाले को वेंट्रिकल्स, ऊपर वाले को. फिर डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहां से आता है? ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कहां से आता है? इसीलिए योर बॉस इज ऑन द, ये दोनों तरफ से ब्लड आता है, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डबल सर्कुलेशन. क्या बात है, वेरी गुड. यू आर ऑल कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट. हाँ, ओके. सो क्लियर हाउ द हार्ट फंक्शंस. यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ द हार्ट फंक्शंस. Now tell me, who cooks food at your home? मम्मी cooks food. तो मम्मी बनाती है, तो मम्मी तो अन्नपूर्णा है, इसलिए मम्मी को खाने की जरूरत नहीं, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? मम्मी को भी भूख लगता है कि नहीं? मम्मी को भी ताकत चाहिए कि नहीं? तो वो हार्ट पंप कर करके पूरे बॉडी को ब्लड दे रहा है कि नहीं दे रहा है? अरे पर उसका भी कुछ जीव है कि नहीं? उसको खाना चाहिए कि नहीं? ब्लड चाहिए कि नहीं? चाहिए कि नहीं? उसको ब्लड कौन देता है? हाँ वो नहीं, वो तो ऑक्सीजनेशन होके आया है. हार्ट का जो मसल है ना, उसको ब्लड कौन देता है? उसको ब्लड देने वाले अलग वेसल्स हैं, उनका नाम है कोरोनरी वेसल्स. क्या नाम है? योर सेवेंथ फ्रेंड फॉर टुडे एंड द लास्ट फ्रेंड. ओके, सेवेंथ एंड लास्ट फ्रेंड. ओके, व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड? Coronary vessels. You want to see where are the coronaries? Get up, please. Sagarika will show us coronary vessels. You please sit here. Priyadarshi, can you see those blue lines? Can you see the blue lines? Go and touch them. Go and touch them. Blue lines. Yes. Blue. Oh, हाँ, very good. और उसके बाजू में रेड कलर का भी है. धीरे से खींचो, धीरे से. Everyone, can you see those blue and red lines? They are the coronary vessels. What are they? What are they? Your seventh friend and last friend for today. You have to remember. Okay? 7 friends you have to remember. Will you remember? याद रखेगा ना? Okay, come and sit. Thank you. So those coronary vessels go and supply blood to whom? Heart. Goes and supply to blood to whom? Heart. अब मेरे को बोलो, अगर मम्मी 3 दिन खाना नहीं खाएगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? बीमार हो जाएगी. फिर वो खाना बना के दे सकती है क्या? उसका परफॉर्मेंस क्या हो जाएगा? लो हो जाएगा कि नहीं? हो जाएगा कि नहीं? लो, कम हो जाएगा ना परफॉर्मेंस. सो वैसे हार्ट को खाना कौन देता है? ब्लड. कोरोनरी वेसल्स कौन देता है? तो अगर कोरोनरी का अगर हम सप्लाई बंद कर देंगे, हार्ट को अगर खाना नहीं मिलेगा, तो हार्ट का सप्लाई क्या, परफॉर्मेंस क्या हो जाएगा? हार्ट का परफॉर्मेंस क्या हो जाएगा? तो कोरोनरी जो ब्लॉक होता है, ब्लड का सप्लाई जो कम होता है, उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? हार्ट अटैक. क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं? When coronaries get blocked and heart does not get food, that is blood for pumping, no energy, performance is low. That condition is called as, it is called as, देखा ना जब पिक्चर में गिर जाता है, yes or no? So it is what? It is heart attack. Now tell me, would you like to know how the coronaries get blocked? You want to know or you don't want to know? Have you seen heart attack? 15 years boy heart attack से मर गया, 50 years fellow heart attack से मर गया. Have you seen? You have not seen, but there are cases like this. You know, coronaries get blocked. Now tell me, who blocks the coronaries? I will tell you. No. It is you who block the coronaries. How? I will tell you. You eat junk food. You like junk food. Pizza, burger, chips, Lays, kurkure, cake, sandwich. You like all this, right? Bakery item, roll, cream roll. Yes or no? All this is what? It is junk food. What is it? Vada pav, bhaji. All this is what? Junk food. What is it? When you eat junk food, your coronaries get blocked. Now because you are eating junk food, this process of blockage of coronary has started. Now do you want to block and stop it? Do you want to stop the supply of blood to your heart? What will happen if this happens? What is it called? Heart. So do you want a heart attack? What happens after heart attack? Person dies. This person will. Now do you want to die? I think people want to die, so they are very low in their voice. Do you want to die? People behind, do you want to die? For that, what have you to do? For that, what have you to do? You have to stop eating. You have to stop eating. So if you stop eating junk food, your coronaries will be healthy. If your coronaries will be healthy, yes, yourself, boys. Oi, what is your good name? Sparsh, come here. Do you want to keep your coronaries strong? Come here. Who supplies blood to the heart? बोलो सबको बताओ. आप जंक फूड खाओगे?
नहीं
नहीं खाओगे. सबको बोलो, मेरे पीछे बोलो नहीं.
नहीं
सबको जोर से मेरे पीछे बोलो. Everyone speak behind me. बोलो. आप जंक फूड खाओगे?
नहीं
आप जंक फूड खाओगे? सो प्रॉमिस विथ स्पर्श. कैसे करते हैं प्रॉमिस? ऐसे करते हैं ना प्रॉमिस. हार्ट पे हाथ रख के हार्ट को बोलो, मैं तेरे लिए प्रॉमिस करता हूँ मैं जंक फूड नहीं करोगे. करो ना फिर प्रॉमिस. फिर खाना बंद. होटल में जाने के बाद नो कचरा, नो रबिश. यू शुड ओनली ईट गुड फूड. ए सुमको ड्रिंक. Sit here. Spurs. Okay. Is it clear? So you will not eat junk food. Your heart will be strong. Your coronaries will be strong, and you will live a healthy life. So tell me, who are the 8 friends? First friend, Wayne. Second friend, Uta. Third friend, Val. Fourth friend, Kas. Fifth friend, atrium. Sixth friend, ventricle. Seventh friend, coronary. Remembering these 7 friends? Everyone? Boys behind? और तुम्हारे सबसे ज्यादा काम का है? रुको, मेरे को पीछे आना पड़ेगा थोड़ी देर से. So we have completed the discussion of heart. You know how is the heart formed, how it functions. Okay? Now coming to the lungs. Madam, time क्या? Okay, quickly talking about the lungs. Okay, lungs. How many lungs do you have? कितने lungs है? इधर कितने दिखते हैं? तेरे पास कितने lungs है तेरे पास? कितने lungs है? कितने सोच के बोलता है? मेरे को लगा 3-4 है. What is the function of the lungs? क्या काम है? सुबह 5 बजे देखते हो कि नहीं? आस्था चैनल प्राणायाम करता है रामदेव बाबा, सब पेट घुमा के दिखाता है. Have you seen him moving his tongue? क्या? What is the function of the lungs? सांस अंदर लेंगे, अंदर लो. सांस अंदर लेंगे, breathe in, breathe out. So this is the function of the lungs. Okay. Now what happens when we breathe? What exactly happens? Yes. What exactly happens when we breathe? Boys, right. Stand up. Sit here. गए वो स्पाइडर, गायब हो गए. Pay attention. Here. गया वो स्पाइडर गया. How many lungs? What is the function of the lungs? हमने अभी क्या? Breathe. अरे breathe. अरे in. पहले in, then out. Breathe in and breathe. Now what goes inside when you breathe in? What comes out when you breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Now tell me, is there any machine fit inside? Boys, is there any machine fit inside? Then why do the lungs take oxygen and give carbon dioxide? जो मेरे को आंसर देगा उसको मैं 500 रुपीज का प्राइस दूंगा. पर आंसर देना पड़ेगा ना सर. वाओ. हाँ, 500 रुपीज. इधर के इधर कैश प्राइस. साइंस एग्जीबिशन में who will give me a scientific answer? 500 is yours. Give me a good. Don't ask your teachers. Why do the lungs take in oxygen? Okay, have you learned geography? Do you have geography subject? No, illa. How many who have geography subject? 8, 9, 10th? Yes. Okay, what is the percentage of gases in atmosphere? सबसे ज्यादा क्या है? 78% कौन है? नाइट्रोजन. 21% कौन है? 1% कौन है? अदर गैसेस. उसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कितना है? 0.035%. Yes, am I right or wrong? Yes. Ask your geography teachers. Okay. Now मेरे को बताओ. Please stand up. What is your good name? Rudra. Please stand up. Rudra. And what is your good name? Hey, Chotu. What is your good name? Samartha. उठो. Okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Rudra, come here. Come this side. Come to me. इधर. Okay. No one will tease them. कोई इनको चिढ़ाएगा नहीं. Whom do you think is a little strong? Who is strong? Samarth is strong or Rudra is strong? Rudra is strong. Samarth is fit. Okay, he is fit. But Rudra is a little stronger. Okay. Now Rudra and Samarth, you have to push each other. ऐसे धक्का देना एक दूसरे को. दो धक्का दो. दो धक्का. जो जोर से पूरा जोर लगा के. अभी ये क्या हो रहा है? ये रुद्र समर्थ पे भारी पड़ रहा है. यस और नो? यस और नो? बस. थैंक यू. रुको. तो अभी इसमें से क्या सीखा कि जिसका जो ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है, जिसका नंबर ज्यादा है, वो क्या रहेगा? स्ट्रांग रहेगा. Who is more in the gases in the atmosphere? Nitrogen is more. Yes or no? How much percentage? 78. Oxygen is how much? 20. But still, lungs are not taking nitrogen. They are taking oxygen. Why? Please sit down. Thank you. Hey, तू भी strong है. उसके घर वाले आके बोलेंगे ऐसा किया. Yes, 500 rupees. किसी को चाहिए? You have to answer. Anyone? Boys? अरे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल है, साइंस का एग्जीबिशन है. Yes, yourself one with the specs in the first line. अरे I'm asking you. I'm not proposing you, I'm asking you. Please get up, at least have the courtesy to stand. Yes. Do you know the answer? Huh? Sayabri, Henry, Barri, Kadri. Quick, we don't have time. Which grade student are you? 9th grade. I learned this in 9th standard. You know the concept of solubility. You don't know. 10th standard girls will know. Yeah, they will know, right? Point any one girl from 10th standard. Tell, call her name. No, you don't know senior name. Okay, 10th standard girls, raise your hands. Please. 10th standard girls. Yes, yourself. Yes, yourself. No solubility. Anyone who knows about solubility? Osmosis is there in. I learned in 9th standard. You said 12 years back. I learned in 9th standard. It's there. Define osmosis. अरे दिखाए ना ये osmosis from higher pressure to lower pressure. Rudra and Samarth explained you in such a practical way. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is what is osmosis, right? From a semi-permeable membrane. So why nitrogen is not going inside your lungs? Why is your lungs taking oxygen? Otherwise, you don't have the right to breathe. You have to stop breathing. Yes, madam, can you answer? No, Hillary. Okay. Anyone? Boys? Yes, last fellow. Like there. One who is, yes, who is seeing behind. पीछे क्यों देख रहे हो आप खड़े हो जाओ. Yes, Asad, क्या? What is your name? Asad, please come. अरे 500 रुपीज प्राइस दे रहा हूं मैं, थोड़ा तो दिमाग लगाओ, थोड़ा हिंट लो टीचर लोग से. असं जल्दी आओ. कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन, लॉजिकल है कि नहीं. वजन किसका ज्यादा है, दम किसमें है, नाइट्रोजन में, फिर ऑयल ऑक्सीजन. यस, इंसर्ट करना चाहिए. ऐसा ऊपर वाले ने लंग्स में क्या लगाया कि वो ऑक्सीजन को खींचता है. Okay, I think we are not having the answer in the audience. So should I tell you the answer? You want to know the answer? हाँ, yes, 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 yes. ये आज मेरे 500 रुपये लेगा. थोड़ा इंसर्ट जरा चांगलं वाटतंय. हाँ हाँ, स्मार्ट. आपलं नाव सुदर्शन, पूर्ण नाव चव्हाण. करेक्ट असेल तर माहिती. आपल्याला प्रपोज थोडी करायचंय. विश्वास ठेव. स्टैंड अरे थांब रे, असं का करतो. लिसन, मेरे को एक बात बताओ. वेट, अभी एक टू व्हीलर है, टू व्हीलर, ठीक है. टू व्हीलर पे लीगली कितने लोग बैठ सकते हैं. अब तुम 4-4, 6-6 को लेके जाते हो, अलग बात. हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन सिट ऑन द टू व्हीलर. Now you are the driver, okay, who is driving the vehicle. You have only one option to have behind, okay. You have 4 friends with you, okay. 4 friends are standing. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. अरे आप ही आओ ना. Yourself, yes, yes, come here. बस. Okay. Yes, listen to me. Come here, come. पीछे से आओ. जगह है पीछे से. Okay, pay attention here, everyone. Yes. Pay attention here. Yes. So if there are 4 friends and you have to choose only one who is going to sit behind you. बोलायचं नाही ते थांबून. मग काय करणार. तुझ्याकडे 4 मित्र आहेत, तुला एकालाच बसवायचं. कोणाला बसवणार. So मी एकालाच बसवायचं. जेवढं विचारलं तेवढं सांगायचं, व्यर्थ उत्तर नाही द्यायचे. काय करणार, कोणाला एकाला चूज करायचं. कसं चूज करणार. अक्षय, कसं चूज करणार. what will be the criterion for choosing. एकच चूज करायचं. वेट कमी जास्तचा प्रश्नच नाहीये. हा, बेस्ट फ्रेंड म्हणजे थोडक्यात जो आवडतो तो है ना. मग बस, सिट हियर. सो your blood carries oxygen. बस इथे बस. तू पण बस. Your blood carries oxygen, okay. Who is the postman of oxygen. Blood. Who is the postman of oxygen. Who is the postman of oxygen. अब postman के पास साइकिल होता है ना, पोस्ट रखने के लिए झोला होता है ना, बैग होता है ना. So oxygen is carried by someone in the blood and that is called as RBC. What is it called? Now RBC के अंदर एक हीमोग्लोबिन नाम का मॉलिक्यूल है. क्या है. So blood is the post system. RBC is the postman and it has a bag called as hemoglobin. What is the bag called? अब इसने बोला मेरे को जो पसंद है उस फ्रेंड को लूंगा. वो हीमोग्लोबिन को सबसे ज्यादा कौन पसंद है. ऑक्सीजन. कौन पसंद है. तो बाहर नाइट्रोजन ज्यादा रहा तो भी हीमोग्लोबिन चूजेस whom? Are you getting me? And solubility of oxygen in blood is more as compared to other gas, and so your blood RBC hemoglobin is affiliated or it is connected with whom? Oxygen. समझ में आया? ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर हीमोग्लोबिन का प्यार है. हीमोग्लोबिन loves oxygen as compared to nitrogen, so it connects with whom? Oxygen. समझ में आया? Okay. So what happens when you breathe in? Oxygen gets inside and it gets attached to what? The RBC, the hemoglobin in the blood. And whatever carbon dioxide waste has been generated, that gets out of your lungs when you breathe out. Okay? Clear? Function of the lungs. Now you saw, yes girls, pay attention. You saw who supplies blood to the heart? Your seventh friend, coronaries. Yes, that girl had pointed. Yes or no? Coronaries. Yes or no? So similarly, to the lungs, the smallest functional unit is alveoli. Only one friend in lungs. You have to remember. Okay? Only one friend. You have to remember only one friend. The name of the friend is alveoli. What is the name? Alveoli nahi. Alveoli.
Alveoli.
Alveoli. Everyone repeat. What is your one friend of the lung? Can you see this box? Can you see this? This is one alveoli. This is what? One alveoli. It is a functional unit of the lung. Okay, only one friend. Okay. And this carbon dioxide and oxygen is getting exchanged here in the alveolar wall. Okay? ये पूरा जो ऐसे मधुमक्खी के छत्ते के जैसा दिख रहा है क्या ये सब? Honeycomb like. Yes or no? Can you see this? So that is what? Alveoli. And gaseous exchange is happening at what point? Alveoli. Okay? Okay? Are you following me? Okay. So alveoli is your one friend in the lungs. Now, what will happen if the alveoli gets damaged? क्या हो जाएगा? What will happen if this gaseous exchange in the alveoli, if alveoli is damaged, exchange is not happening? What will happen? You will be deprived of oxygen. Yes or no? Oxygen नहीं मिलेगा आपको. आपका दम घुटेगा. Yes, you will be breathless. What will you be? Will be breathless. देखा ना कोविड में? Yes or no? So this distortion of alveoli, for this there are many reasons. There can be infections, there can be cancer, so many reasons, big list. There can be bacterial infection, fungal infection, viral infection, parasitic infection, hundreds of infections. Okay? अब alveoli अगर बंद हो जाएगा तो हमारा सांस लेना भी क्या हो जाएगा? डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, बंद हो जाएगा. तो ये कैसे बंद होता है? Because of infections and cancer. Okay? And infection of lungs is called as pneumonia. What is it called? What is it called, girls? Yes, madam. Not paying attention. What is the infection of lungs called? Pneumonia. Okay, it is called as. Because you were chit-chatting, so I will be asking you. Yes, yourself with the two ponies. Pneumonia. Okay, what is it called? What is it called? So infection of lung is. Now, if there is pneumonia, what will happen? You will be breathless. Do you want to be breathless? You want to breathe normally, yes or no? So do you want to know how this infection happens? You are playing in the mud, then you put your dirty hands inside the nose to clean. And then your infection and bacteria on the fingers enters into the nose and goes into the lungs, and then it causes what infection? It causes, do you want to get pneumonia? Do you want to get infection of the lungs? देख मैं बोल रहा हूँ मिट्टी में मत खेल, फिर नाक में हाथ डालेगा. So what you have to remember is, you wash your hands after cleaning your nose. Yes or no? You have to also wash your hand before you clean your nose. cleaning your nose is a must, है ना? नहीं तो गंदा हो जाएगा ना? You have bath, you clean your room, so you have to clean your nose. You brush, you clean your mouth. You have to clean. But before you clean your nose, you should wash your. And after you clean your nose, of course, you will wash your hands. This should not happen. Okay? So this is one reason. What can be the other reason of infection going inside? When you go to some polluted area, ganda, garbage, you know, dirty smell. So you should put what? You should put. Okay? You should not put dirty things inside. And if there is dirt outside, what do you put? You put a simple. So you will keep away from what? Infections. You will keep away from pneumonia. So your lungs will be healthy. Your lungs will be strong and healthy. Now second thing is what? Cancer. Can you see this white patch inside there? You people can see this. Sorry. You people can see that patch. Can you see that patch? White patch. Rest we will see later. Okay. The patch outside. So that patch is a cancerous patch. Cancerous patch. Hello, cancerous patch. What happens when you smoke? All the carcinogens go inside your lungs and they create cancer. They destroy your alveoli. Do you want to destroy your alveoli? Do you want to have cancer lungs? Do you want to have cancer lungs? Do you want to have cancer lungs? You want to have cancer? You don't want to have, right? So for that you don't have to. You don't have to. Don't have to. Is this clear? Okay. And can you see this उल्टा T? ये skin color का बीच में सब नली दिख रहा है. Can you see? That is called a windpipe. What is it called? That is basically trachea. नाक में से ट्रकिया में जाता है, ट्रकिया में से लंग्स में जाता है. जैसे वो वेन था, आर्टरी था. Okay. So have you understood lungs? Have you all understood lungs? So this is the conclusion of our session. Now, would you like to? So are you ready? अभी आप लोग एकदम शांत देखते हैं उन्होंने खाना खाया कि नहीं. Are you ready? आप लोगों को आवाज नहीं करना है, मेरे को उनका आवाज सुनना है. Okay, you देखेंगे किसमें दम है. अभी तुम लोगों ने थोड़ा दम दिखाया कि नहीं? अभी उनमें ताकत है कि नहीं देखेंगे. Are you ready? तो खाना नहीं खाया वो आदर्श ने तो. चांगल्या गोष्टीसाठी कौतुक करून घेणे. ओके. सो एव्हरीवन, आर यू रेडी? ओके. हाउ मेनी चेंबर्स इन योर हार्ट? दो ऊपर और दो. ऊपर वाले का नाम क्या है? 80. नीचे वाले का नाम क्या है? 20. आपका फर्स्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? सेकेंड फ्रेंड कौन है? हार्ट में ब्लड कहां से आता है? विच साइड? राइट. हार्ट में ब्लड कहां से आता है? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. राइट. फिर वो कहां जाता है? वहां उसको कौन मिलता है? फिर वहां से वो वापस कहां जाता है? फिर हार्ट में से वो कहां जाता है? और एओर्टा में से कहां जाता है? बराबर है. ये दोनों सर्कुलेशन एक साथ में होता है, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? डबल सर्कुलेशन. नाउ द हार्ट which provides blood to the body. Who provides blood to the heart? Coronaries. Who? Now, what happens when you eat junk food? Who gets blocked? Coronary. So, do you want to block your coronaries? Will you eat junk food? So, if you don't eat junk food, your coronaries will be. If your coronaries are strong, your heart will be, and you will not have heart attack. Clear? You promise me not to eat junk food? You promise me not to eat junk food? How many lives? One friend, alveoli. Who is the friend? Yes. So what happens if you put dirty hands in your nose? You will get what infection? Yes, you will get what? Pneumonia. Do you want to have pneumonia? Do you want to have cancer? So will you smoke? Will you put dirty hands in your nose? Will you wash hands before cleaning your nose? Will you wash hands after cleaning the nose? Did you understand everything about the heart? Did you understand everything about the lungs? You promise me not to eat junk food? Your boss is on the? Your boss is on the? Show me your left, show me your boss. Your boss is on the? Your boss is on the? Did you enjoy? Thank you. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
On behalf of DSTS Mandal Scenic English Medium School, I am Khushi Agrawal. I am here to express the vote of thanks. First of all, on behalf of Unique English Medium School, I extend a hearty thank you to Dr. Rohit Tapadia sir for giving us his precious time and bringing these valuable inflatables to our school and sharing his experiences, vast knowledge with all our dear students, explaining such complex topics like the heart and the lung in a very fun and creative manner. Sir taught us good habits, sir taught us hygiene, sir taught us how to avoid a life-threatening disease like heart attack. Let's give a hearty thank you to sir. Everyone say thank you.